What's going on, you guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky. And I wanted to chat with you guys today about how cool and how easy the roof sales opportunity is. If you're a salesperson, like, get you re-excited and really just inspire the appreciation in you for what the roof sales opportunity really is in storm restoration. I've had two salespeople in the last couple weeks show up, but I just had one here today where I live in Colorado. And it was a guy, real nice, named Kevin, who was trying to sell me an air purifier for my home. And I was just like, I don't need this, right? I'm like, yeah, there's dust and stuff in the air, but like, I'm fine. I don't have asthma or anything like that. And I was thinking while he's like giving the presentation, and I kind of let him go through his spiel and stuff like that. But I was thinking while he was giving the presentation, like, this is a hard sell. The air purifier, like, unless I am severely asthmatic or like OCD, paranoid, this just isn't something that in my daily life I could come to like arrive at the decision that this is something that I need, right? Like, it's difficult to create need for something like that. It's pretty expensive, I don't feel like I need it. And I was thinking about how roof sales, like storm restoration, is so freaking easy, you guys. Like, if you sell roofs, think about how simple this is. We are talking about a product that is already damaged. The need is created by the storm. It's obvious, right? Storm hits the roof, like, there's obvious damage to the property. There's dents in the gutters, stuff like that. So need is automatically created. They don't even pay for it. Insurance pays for the job, right? So price isn't even an objection. It's already covered. They already have homeowners insurance, right? So this is not a job like going door to door and trying to convince somebody that dust bunnies are gonna make their lungs collapse and then you need to buy this $2,000 room air purifier, right? That looks like R2D2. I don't need that in my house. That's a hard sell. But if a storm hits my house and then I'm aware of that, and you come and you show me that there's damage and all the neighbors nearby are getting roofs too, and I don't even have to pay for it, it's 95% off. All I have to pay is my deductible, or maybe the ACV even covers the deductible. It does not get much easier than that, you guys. So if you're a salesperson and you're struggling to sell roofs, like hail damaged roofs, there is no reason to be struggling. There's really not. Like, it is the simplest sale, but where the breakdown happens, why so many people have such a poor closing ratio or they suck at the door, is because they just don't have the script. They just don't know exactly what to say. In their head, they get, this is a sweet deal. Like, shouldn't everybody be jumping in on this? But if you don't quite have the language down pat for what to say at the door, how to handle the likely objections, and then what to say for the sales presentation, you're gonna have a hard time. So if this is you, this is a shameless sales plug for Roof Sales Mastery, but you guys, the reason I'm so passionate about selling my programs is because I know that there is no reason that anybody out there who decides to go and sell roofs should fail. There's no reason that they should fail if they have the recipe. And I'm always talking about the recipe, right? Well, what is the recipe? The recipe is simply what to do and say at the door, at the kitchen table, and with the adjusters. And if you have that down, it really can be like shooting fish in a barrel. This is not going door to door trying to sell people a glorified diffuser, right? This is the roof of their house that they don't even have to pay for, that already has need because it's damaged. It's so dumb. So if you're not making six figures in roof sales yet, it's not the industry, and it's not just, oh, you just don't have it. It's you just don't have the recipe. Get it in your hands. Go check out roofsalesmastery.com. That's my website. If you're a salesperson, like an individual salesperson, I'd recommend looking at the Accelerator or the Advanced Sales Training Program. And if you're a business owner, of course, and you're listening to this and going, this is what I'm always saying, why can't my guys just get it? Well, they need better training. So check out the New Hires Training if you're a business owner. But I hope that gets you guys a little bit like excited about how easy roof sales is and just gets you stoked on the opportunity again. And again, if you're struggling with it, there's really no reason to seek out the training that you need. It's super simple. It's just learning new words. If you can learn a One Direction song and sing it in the car by yourself in silence so nobody knows. You can also listen to Roof Sales Mastery and just deliver the song of the sales pitch at the door and at the kitchen table, and it will work for you. So, as always, you guys, keep it crunchy out there. Love you all. Check out roofsalesmastery.com. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will check you later. Bye.